Hi, Jim Whitaker here. In this bonus training video, we're going to discuss article marketing. And I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process to get your articles and the keywords that you're trying to rank for to the top of the search engines like Google. This is absolutely free marketing and free training. So here's what we're going to cover today. We'll show you results that were achieved with this free simple strategy. The basic article structure for submitting to directories. Why do we use links and anchor text? And finally, we'll show you how to generate links without knowing HTML code, free and easy. Alright, I'm going to start by showing you actual results. Here is a Google search, and what we want is a phrase that we want to rank for. In this case, it's Internet Video Marketing Baltimore. As you can see, there's 520,000 searches. This is page 1, results 1 of 10. And there are a lot of pay-per-click ads on this page, which are good, but in the organic free search with our article, we rank number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 with our blog, as you can see here, it's a picture of my wife and I, and there is the article. Rank number 2 with one of our websites, globallinkmedia.com. And I'm not going to play the video, but you can see that is the website. And number 3 is the actual article, and this is on Idea Marketers. And with the article, I want to show you, okay, Idea Marketers, here's the article by Jim Whitaker. So it is my article. As we go down the page, this is the body of the article, and here at the bottom is what we call the resource box, but it looks just as if it's part of the article, and that's what we want. The article just flows right into it, and then there are 2 links here that can be clicked on. And what I'm going to do is show you how to use these links to show Google where your article originated at your blog or website, and to get backlinks for those, as well as to use a link to tell Google and the Googlebot what keywords you really want to rank for. So, you know, this is going to be a step-by-step training. You don't need to understand any HTML code or anything else. Let's get right to it. Alright, if you don't have a pen or pencil and paper already, go ahead and pause this video and grab one now. We're going to get right into the nuts and bolts of articles, and what you're going to learn today you can use to start driving leads to your website immediately. So let's get started. I want to start with the basic structure of an article to begin with. And what you want to do is to lay out your article on a notepad document or a Word document to start, and that way you can copy and paste it into different article directories, or if you're using software. And the structure I'm going to give you today, it would be a good habit to get into, because this structure will work with the majority of article directories and software that you would use to submit articles. So first you want to decide what website you want to drive traffic to, and put that at the very top. Next, you want your title. Now, when it comes to the title, as with any internet marketing, you want it to be keyword enriched. So keywords are the foundation of ranking on Google. And this is an article video, not a keyword search training video, so I'm just assuming that you have a basic knowledge of keyword research. But number 2 is the title, and it needs to be keyword enriched. Next, you want your summary, just 2 to 3 sentences, and in your summary you don't want to copy and paste from the article. You want to write 2 to 3 separate sentences that just summarize your entire article. Next section is the article body. We want that to be 500 to 600 words. 500 is a minimum for a lot of article directories, so we want our articles to go up on as many directories as possible. Once we're getting above 600 words, we want to think about creating 2 articles instead of 1, making the best use of our time, because if we have that many words, there's a good chance there's another topic in there that we can use. And our keywords want to be sprinkled throughout the article 3 to 5 times. And the important thing to know about the keywords is they need to be relevant within the article. Don't just put the words in because you have to. It needs to make sense because you want your reader to get knowledge and quality information out of the article, and that way when they get to the bottom they will click through to our website, which is the purpose of the article in the first place. Alright, now next we want to fill in our keywords. Now we only need 2 to 5 good long tail keywords. When I say long tail, that's 3 to 5 words, and the reason we want to keep it limited is that we don't want to confuse the search engine robot. We want them to know exactly what keyword phrase that we want to rank for. So we keep it an amount of 2 to say 5 words, long tail phrases, and that way we'll have a lot better chance of ranking on Google and the other search engines. And finally, our resource box. The resource box, we are going to add 2 links. No more than 2 links because, again, most article directories are only going to allow 2 links. And within those links we're going to have what's called anchor text. So that's what we really want to cover today and what we're going to show you to use to get your website, blog, and the articles ranked. So let's get right to it. Here we are in the back office of eZine Articles. This is where you actually write your article and submit it, or like I showed you in the last section, we can have our article on a notepad or Word document and just copy and paste in here. But it's the same structure. First you select categories, business marketing, we can put our title in, the article summary just as we went through, and then our article body and our keywords. Now the next thing I'm going to show you, this is our what's called our resource box, and you see there's HTML code in here. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to create that in an easy step-by-step process. The important thing to know is when I learned this technique and this structure for the resource box, this is when my articles started to rank. I wrote a lot of articles, could not understand why they didn't rank, but once I learned this technique right here that I'm going to show you, my articles started to rank on the first page of Google continuously. So let's take a look. Now here's that resource box. You see how it looks here with all that code, but when we go to preview the article, it's just showing up. Here's the article itself, and at the bottom here are these 2 links. Now the 2 links, the first link in the resource box is what we use to point the Google robot to where the article originated. So when you create an article, you're going to put it on your blog or your website, and this is going to link to that. So what we want to do is we have the end of the article, you know, whether you hire an internet marketing company, I hope this article has been helpful in giving you some great business marketing ideas, Marilyn. Now this does not entice a person to click on that. We don't want them to click on that. We're only using this link to tell the Googlebot where the article originated. And as I showed you in the beginning, the article originated on my blog website, and there it is. If I clicked on that, and my blog was number 1 for the keywords that I'm ranking for. These keywords right here, Internet Video Marketing Baltimore. Okay, and then the next sentence we have links to the keyword, to the website that we actually want to drive the person to. So we want to use the keyword that we're ranking for to show Google, you know, this is the keyword that we want you to put us at the top for. And that's what we've done. And here we put, if you need customers now, visit us at Internet Video Marketing Baltimore, Maryland for timely, cost-effective marketing results. And when they click on that link, it takes them to our actual web page, capture page. And as you can see, we have our little box in there with another video, actually 2 videos on that page. So that's where we want our customers to go. But most important, this is the anchor text. This is our keywords that we want Google to rank for, and that is what we saw in the beginning. Internet Video Marketing Baltimore, we were number 1, 2, and 3 with this one single article. Okay, so now how do we get all this HTML code in here without knowing, being an internet geek? And it's very easy. So what you need to do, you go to a site called MySpace Link Generator and just Google it. Just put in MySpace Link Generator, and you'll have a few choices there, but make sure you click on the one that's MySpace Link Generator, and it's HTML, and it's that easy. All we need to know here, okay, what link type. We're going to do a text link, obviously, because it's our text, and then the URL. So the URL here is actually the blog website. This is the first link that we're doing, and we can have it open in the same window. I usually have it open in a new window. So you go to that website, and then we pick a text color, and links are usually blue, so I usually keep my links as blue so we can make it blue. And then you just put in the words that you want, and what we had there was business marketing ideas, Maryland. In text style, I just leave all that the same. And then all we do is click right here on submit, and there's our code generated right here at the bottom. So when we'll copy this code, go back to our article, and again, we can do this in a notepad before we copy and paste to the article. And okay, right here, when we write it out, we want to put it where it goes. So in this article I wrote, I hope this article has been helpful and given you some great, and then obviously this is where we're going to say business marketing ideas, but not only that, we want our anchor text to go here. So we click that. Put a space in there so there's a space between the business marketing ideas and that. So again, these A's, that means anchor text. Anchored tells Google this is where the article originated, or these are the words that we're ranking for. That's what we're using anchor text for. So let's go back and preview and see that the code that we just created makes sense and looks okay. And come down, and there it is, business. I hope this article has been helpful, giving you some great business marketing ideas. Click on it, make sure it goes to our website, and there it is. If you're like me and don't know all that HTML code, just quick and easy way that anyone can generate a link. So let's do it one more time with our anchor text for our keywords. Internet Video Marketing Baltimore. So once again, we go back to the link generator, and we're going to create another link. Okay, and here we are again. Now, again, it's a text link, and this time we're going to our website, Global Link Media. Open in a new window, write in our text, Internet Video Marketing. Obviously I've used this before. Baltimore. Select our color again, just slide this down, click off of that, I usually make this text 12 or 14, make it a little bit bigger to stand out. So, and that's all there is to it. Click submit again. And here's our code. Well, we're going to copy it. Go back to our eZine article alter box. And again, this is what we would have had. If you need customers now, visit us at, and that's where we want to put in Internet Video Marketing Baltimore. That's our link. And then our final phrase, for timely, cost-effective marketing results. Okay, so all we have to do is save it. Review it. And there's our link. If you need customers now, visit us at Internet Video Marketing. Make sure it goes to our website. And it did.
Welcome back.
That's our website. So there you have it. These are the strategies that I use to get the results that you saw in the beginning here. I'm going to resubmit this article. And you can get the same results by using these strategies. And there you have it. You learned the technique that took me to the top of search engines with my articles, blogs, and websites. So, whatever you learn, I'm going to give you one tip today. What you learn today, implement today. So write an article, use these links that I shared with you, and see how you do. But that's the key, because there's so much information out there that you need to actually do it. So, stop everything else and just take this information that you've written down, do an article, submit it, and I think you'll be happy with the results.